Why it is important to pick a quality air conditioning repair service. It is never pleasant to have to go without air conditioning when the weather is too warm and humid, particularly during the summer in Atlanta. When the air conditioner goes out, it is tempting to call in response to the first ad you see. However, even if this gets your air conditioner repaired temporarily, it is no guarantee of a satisfactory experience overall. There are a few important items to consider when selecting someone to repair your air conditioner, which will help you to get quality service you need. When they decide to break down, air conditioners don't really care what day of the week, or what time of the day or night it is. You will want to call a service company that can respond to your need 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Such a company will have a dispatcher or answering service which can get in touch with a technician for you after hours or on weekends, though you might have to wait for a call back. But hey, that is much better than waiting until the next business day, particularly if your air conditioning goes out at 5 p.m. on a Friday before a holiday weekend. You don't want somebody's cousin that just needed a job showing up to do the work because nobody else was available. The thing to look for when choosing a service company is NATE certification for all their technicians. NATE stands for North American Technician Excellence, and is an independent certification body for heating, ventilating and air conditioning, HVAC, technicians. You also want to make sure that the service company is bonded and insured before they start any kind of work. Please also be sure the company runs background checks on their employees, and that they operate a drug-free workplace. When the technicians arrive, you want to be comfortable having them in your home or business, so they should be uniformed and able to provide identification. They should also arrive ready to go to work, with well-stocked trucks so they don't have to waste time going back to the shop or running to get parts and supplies. Some companies only service air conditioners from a particular manufacturer, so it's a good idea to double-check to be sure the service company is able to work with all the different brands. There is a saying that, the only thing guaranteed in life is death and taxes, but you will find that it is also possible to have guaranteed satisfaction for your air conditioning repair. In the highly competitive environment of HVAC installation and service, there is no reason to go without this guarantee. The service company that repairs your air conditioner should offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. You can absolutely find a company that will be able to provide you with all this, and you will be glad that you took a little time to do some investigation. It would actually be a good idea to do some research now and call on a likely candidate to come to do a checkup on your air conditioner before it gets too hot. This way, you will already know who to call if you have a problem. By taking these steps to identify a quality service contractor. Barty Heating and Air Conditioning is an Atlanta area HVAC contractor specializing in design and installation of air conditioning systems for residential and commercial project of any size. To learn more their services, please visit this author's website at http://www.barty.com. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Allen_King/70083